Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to actually use that Discord Nitro credit sitting in your account. Many people get confused because there is no simple activate button. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. First, let's confirm exactly what type of credit you have because you can only apply it to the specific matching plan. Open Discord and go to User Settings, the gear icon at the bottom left. On the left sidebar, click on Subscriptions. Look for the Account Credit banner at the top. Read carefully. Does it say Nitro Basic Monthly, Nitro Monthly, or Nitro Yearly? You must remember this exact plan name. Here is the part that confuses everyone. To use the credit, you have to pretend you are buying a new subscription. Stay on the Subscriptions page or go to the Nitro tab. Click the Subscribe button for the exact same plan your credit is for. Example, if you have Nitro Monthly credit, you must hit Subscribe on the Nitro Monthly plan. A checkout window will pop up. Look at the total price at the bottom. It should say Total $0.00 or Account Credit Applied. If it shows a price like $9.99, stop. You likely selected the wrong plan, for example, yearly instead of monthly. Go back and pick the other one. Now, even though the total is $0, Discord still requires a payment method on file for the subscription to start. You will need to add a credit card or PayPal if you haven't already. Don't worry, you will not be charged today. Once you enter the details and hit Confirm, the credit activates instantly. Pro tip, if you don't want to be charged next month, go back to Subscriptions immediately after this and click Cancel Subscription. Your perks will stay active until the credit runs out. If you are trying to do this on an iPhone or Android, listen closely. You usually cannot activate credit inside the mobile app because Apple and Google try to charge their own fees. Instead, open your mobile browser like Chrome or Safari and go to discord.com/login. Log in there and follow the exact same steps I just showed you. Settings, then Subscriptions. Once you activate it in the browser, the Nitro perks will instantly appear on your app too. And that's it. You now know how to redeem your Nitro credit without accidentally paying for a new subscription. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.